I'm Catherine.
And I'm Danielle.
And today, Danielle's going to show us how to fix potatoes with bacon bits in the oven.
Well, the key with this is just basic potato baked and your general fixings. Cheese, sour cream, chives, and most importantly, some crispy bacon that you put in your oven.
That sounds so good. This is a classic signature dish, right?
Oh, yeah.
You see it everywhere.
And it's easy.
Yeah.
So we have 2 piping hot baked potatoes, and we're going to kind of just smush them in.
Okay.
So all that potato gets the cheesy, bacony, sour cream goodness.
I can't believe you're using that. It's hot.
So I'm going to go ahead and start putting the butter on so that starts to melt. And I'm using my hands, which are clean, by the way. And then your cheese, which is also an important thing to start melting on your baked potato.
Oh, this is going to be so good.
Just a dollop of sour cream. And of course, this is to your general taste. You may want less or more. Of course, I always want more, but that's why I'll have to go to the gym tomorrow. And then your bacon.
The most
Which
important ingredient.
Yeah, it just sends it right over the edge.
Oh my gosh, look at that.